chaotic HOA. Slash apartment rule dispute you've seen? Okay, so our HOA, right? They sent out the super aggressive email about unapproved exterior decorations. Everyone was confused, but then I noticed it. Mrs. Henderson, sweet old lady, had a flamingo. Just one, plastic, pink flamingo in her perfectly manicured front yard. Suddenly, she got a violation notice. The HOA claimed it was a garish lawn ornament that disrupted neighborhood aesthetics. Her grandson, a law student, found a clause buried in the bylaws about temporary holiday displays. He argued the flamingo was celebrating summer. The HOA president, defeated, had to concede. Now, every house on the street has a single strategically placed flamingo, all year round. Mrs. Henderson even started painting them for holidays. A tiny Santa hat for Christmas, bunny ears for Easter. The HOA newsletter now features a flamingo of the month. It's glorious.